Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to sign up on Notion using Google or Apple ID full tutorial. Problem in one line, don't want to remember any other password. Here's how to create a Notion account instantly with Google or Apple. Open the Notion app on your iPhone and tap sign up. Choose either continue with Google or continue with Apple. Then, if you pick Google, select your Gmail account and allow access. If you pick Apple, choose hide my email for privacy and confirm with Face ID. Once verified, Notion will auto create your workspace, give it a name, pick a theme, and you're done. Enable Face ID for login and one tap secure access. Privacy tip: if using Apple ID, always choose hide my email to protect your real address from data leaks. Subscribe for more easy setup guides.